I just recently realized na merong significant change in your organization, and that can be quite challenging, I imagine. And the more reason for us na mag-step up sa ating leadership. This is not the time to be anxious. Although that's a completely valid emotion to have, to be anxious. But this is where you step up your leadership. And I think today's topic you will resonate with it, ma-appreciate itong topic na ito. Pero there will be significant challenge to be able to apply yung pag-uusapan natin today because it requires courage, leadership courage na I hope that you have already started building over the years, that we've been working together.